Let's have a quick look inside that hardware bag. We have these black plastic wheels here. We're not going to use these in any of the projects we're working on. What they're for is they're for measuring speed. None of the stuff we're doing is that precise, but don't throw them away. They are definitely useful. These plastic nibs here, they secure the motors on. We'll get to those. Inside the little hardware bag here, these are spacers to keep the two layers separate. And then all you have left are you have long bolts, short bolts, and nuts. The short bolts, they're all to secure the spacers and secure the top and bottom part of the chassis. The long bolts, they all go inside the motors to secure them.